everyone, out here in the garage today. I wanted to introduce you to Jessica, the Voluptuous Victory. It's a 2006 Kingpin. I've had her for many years. We've been through some stuff. This is a great bike. She's never had a problem that I didn't cause. And taking care of some stuff today. A couple things about this bike: it needs a bath. It's not too heavily modified. It does have an oversized gas tank that I made a few years back to increase the range. It has Mustang touring seats, which make it super comfortable. You can stay on this bike all day. I've done a couple iron butt rides on it, and you can just keep going forever. Stock engine, factory stage 1 kit exhaust. Nothing too crazy. Tons of torque, plenty of power in any gear. There you go. So I'm out riding the other day, and more like a week and a half ago now, and I go to stop, and the front brake really isn't grabbing as much as you're used to. A little wonky if you're not expecting it, but in case you don't know, the front and rear brakes on a bike are separate, so you can still stop. But basically what's happened is the front brake line is really old. I was going to replace it last year. I got into a debate about whether to get a red anodized one or just the silver, and I never got around to it. Either way, when the heat hit so far now this summer, I think what's happened is the rubber hose coating on it has deteriorated away over the years, and this braid wears out after a while as well. Most of the hose is okay, but all you need is that one bad spot, and what happens is the hose expands under the brake pressure rather than squeeze the caliper and stop your bike. So I got a new cable, and I put that on a few days ago. I didn't have the camera with me, but I didn't have brake fluid like I thought I did, so I had to get some brake fluid, and now I gotta finish topping off the brake fluid and letting it bleed through, and then we'll go a little test drive. Alright, you can see it's a little low from where I had it open before when I thought I had brake fluid, but I really didn't have enough to let it bleed out and clean all the old fluid out of there. So today we'll add some more. So what I'm doing is just to get all the old dirty fluid and crud and everything out of there. I put some new in. Now I'm brushing around to clean up all the gunk, and I'm going to let that gunk just bleed through with the old fluid. And when that bleeds down, the reservoir will be nice and clean. We'll be alright. by myself. I don't have like one guy to pump and one guy to do the thing, so I'm just gravity bleeding it for the most part to make sure the fluid gets through, and then I'll double check it from there. But you can see the fluid slowly dripping through the system, and we'll wait till the reservoir gets nice and low. We know that all that old fluid's come out of there, and go from there. So I actually did like 3 or 4 fills of the brake fluid, cleaned all the old brake fluid out. It's nice and full and cleaned in there. The inside of the sight glass is all nice and clean. You can see all the old brake fluid in there. It's kind of cloudy. Some of it might just be the stuff in that cup. Close the thingy. Clean that off. And we'll see how she rides. Short one today. It's supposed to be 115 is the high. It's only at 113 right now, so we're good. She rides great. The front brake brakes like it's supposed to. We'll be able to ride to work this week and not worry about nothing. So there you have it. Hey, thanks for watching.